Sanibonani guys, igama unqobileni baselama sibela e-Inimba ngomhla ka-13 May. Guys, namhlanje-ke Lazarus bekade efuna ukwazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni ku-Azande. So uvuke ekuseni wathi asikwazi uba siyifihle le ndaba. Sooner or later ifamily izobuza, phela u-Azande is fighting for his life in the hospital. Hayi-ke guys, uZoleka washayova watatazela, wavuka engubeni ugirl wadlula umbhede, kubonakala ukuthi uyathatha uyabeka ngengqondo. Sesuka lapho wabehlala ucingweni uLazarus, wafonela-ke ukhazini wakhe ungale emakhaya, wabuza ukuthi hayi bo, uphi utata benoTaps? Hhayi, ukhazini wamtshela ukuthi hhayi base-Port Edward. Wathi Port Edward? Wathi ewe. Wathi oh wow, okay, bendifuna uthetha nabo, ndizophinde ndibazame. Wavala ucingo, wase waya kuZoleka wamtshela ukuthi hayi bo, yazi utata benoDaps base-Port Edward bayothetha inyani ngokusweleka kukamama. Ndiyabona ukuthi le nto ibisisimthwalo ukubona sebefuna ukuxelela wonke umndeni inyani. Wase washo ukuthi hayi impela apha endlini ngiyabona ukuthi ama-secrets awasadingeki. Kanti ukudla iguma ubhuti uzama ukuthola ama-answers kuZoleka. Sesuka lapho athi Siyolise, hayibo phela guys, uLazarus akavamisile ukubiza uZoleka ngegama lakhe lasemshadweni. Umane wavusa amehlo fast mebizwa ngoSiyolise-ke uZoleka. Wathi awungixelele sithando sami, kwenzakale ntoni ku-Azande? Wakhipha amehlo uZoleka. Wathi hayi bo, ndikuxelele nje uba kwenzakale ntoni izolo. Wathi no, ngikuvile yonke lento obuyithetha lapha esibhedlela, but tell me the real truth, what happened? Wathi kanti ufuna lo ndiziphinda kanti what is the problem? Wathi sithando sami, ndiyakwazi kaloku, I know you more than you will ever know. Yabona wena xa uthetha inyani undijonga ngqo emehlweni, awungabazi. Yabona ngoku uqale uthathe ixesha manje uthethe nami, okusho khona ukuthi you are actually thinking through and searching for the right thing to say, like you blink many times. That's not you. Look at you, you are folding your arms. It's like you're trying to protect someone or something. That's not you. And also you are clenching your jaws. It means like ngathi guilty nya. So I know you're not telling the truth. So tell me what happened. Yo. To tell you guys ukuthi uSigqibo esimazi ngoLazarus uyamazi unkosikazi wakhe. It's an understatement. Hayi-ke guys, ngapha-ke esibhedlela uqhawekazi uhambile wovakashela isiguli phela esingu-Azande, namanje sisakwi-unconsciousness state. Usiyasho-ke ukuthi Azande, ndiyathemba uba uyazi ukuthi yonke lento eyenzakalile ibikade iyimpazamo. Silapha ngoku iphutha lakho. Ndicela uvuke kaloku, vuka ukuze usinikeze iy'mpendulo zokuthi kwenzakale ntoni ngampela. Utheni uthathe i-idea yami? Awuzusweleka, not now. You can't leave me with this guilt. Usho uyakhala uNtombo. Uyakhala uNtombo guys. And u-Azande ulele nje ubhuti useshabeni ubhuti, yezwa. Futhi uyabona nje ukuthi hayi umuntu odlikayo enhliziyweni la, hayi uqhawekazi usha yedwa guys. Ngathi uyena lo obabeke kuleya position, kanti no, umuntu oqale lo mlilo vele beku-Azande. But the way aphole ngayo ubhuti laphaya esibhedlela, yeyi, ungafunga ukuthi umsulwa ingelosi iqubulayo. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Uhambile-ke uZoleka wayohlala ngaphandle endlini, walethela-ke umyeni wakhe okuphuzwayo. Waqede-ke wakhuluma lonke iqiniso ukuthi kwenzakale ntoni laphaya kwi-balcony. Ushilo ukuthi hhayi uqhawekazi utholile inyani laphaya kwi-laptop kaZande, conversation between yena benoBill Williams, and then wabona ukuthi cha bebefuna ukum-sideline-a bemkhathe off completely kwi-idea yakhe bebeke-ke u-Azande kwi-position as a new company owner. So after that uQhawekazi was like very anxious and angry, ended up pushing u-Azande. So now uyasho uZoleka ukuthi bengekaze zakwazi ukuthi athi uyena uQhawekazi. uQhawekazi is still young, and uyamazi-ke uDabs nomfundiso-ke loyo guys, ukuthi mengase ethole ukuthi uQhawekazi lo ophushe u-Azande ngeke amxolele, uzomane athi nje i-justice ayibe khona, agcine seboshwa-ke uQhawekazi, kanti she's got a bright future ahead of her. So right-ke ukuthi-ke kube uyena-ke uZoleka othatha i-fall ngoba vele yena usemdala, and she can stand the consequences that would follow after kunoQhawekazi. She can handle it better than uQhawekazi. Hhayi-ke noLazarus ubonile lento ayikhulumayo ukuthi yawenza umqondo, bathathana ihagi, just waiting ukuthi-ke i-outcome izoba njani guys. Bahambile-ke baye esibhedlela-ke beyobona u-Azande, kwafika noNonceba-ke. uNonceba naye etatazela nje, kubonakala ukuthi umndeni-ke usenkingeni ngokuthi-ke u-Azande is fighting for his life. Ushilo noNceba ukuthi ayingeke sisanda ukuthola ukuthi umama usweleke kanjani, we don't need this in this family. Kuthe kusani njalo kwabe kungena uNomfundiso endiza guys, yeyi wena wabona ukhozi. Uthe mengena esibhedlela useyathi Sigqibo, hayi kwenzeke ntoni unyana wami uswelekile, unyana wami uswelekile. Wathi Sigqibo cha, no Dabs, he is still alive. Wathi okay, manje nithi kwenzeke ntoni? Sigqibo ndijonge ndibuke kaloku. Hayi guys, uLazarus amane abuke uZoleka abheke phansi, athi Sigqibo kwenzekele ntoni? Wathi uwile kwi-balcony waphoseka kwi-swimming pool. Wathi uwile kwi-balcony? No, ndicaciseleni, uwile noma uphushiwe? Wathi nya endlini. Wathi hhayi Sigqibo, ubani uphusha umntanami? Zoleka wamane wagwinya amathe. Sekulukhuni manje ukuthi-ke athi imina. Guys, hhayi-ke sekuqalile-ke i-fight because phela ekugcineni kosuku kumele kushiwo ukuthi ubani omphushile, and uZoleka is still standing firm with her story ukuthi uzothi uyena, ngeke kuthiwe uQhawekazi. So sesizobona-ke kumazwibela-ke anamhlanje kusihlwa ukuthi-ke Zalankomo, mina ngokwazi kwami ngiyazi ukuthi uNomfundiso is not going to say, oh okay, I'm sure it was a mistake you guys, so yeah, let's just pray ukuthi u-Azande uzovuka and then sizoqhubeka siye phambili njengefamily. No, uzofuna nje kube khona abajezayo for what has happened, and from the looks of things ngathi-ke naye u-Azande usazolokhu ecimezile ubhuti ngoba uyasaba ukuvula amehlo phela, since naye unamacala akhe kumele phela ewaphendule mase sephaphela. Guys, kushubile phela lapho-ke amazwibela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama unqobileni basela mazwibela inimba ngomhla ka-13 May. Guys, namhlanje-ke